Real YouTube back with another video. Right, me and my brother just left the gym. Or we finna leave the gym. You know, we getting some protein and shit. You see, bro, we went to Planet Fitness. Obviously, the where we work at. And look, y'all, what we went and bought. If y'all don't know, bro, it's the 4th of July. You feel me? Happy 4th of July to everybody out there. You feel me? So this year, me and my brother was like, yo, we gonna have to make it go up this year because last year, bro, it seemed like everybody was out popping this. So we're like, word. So what we did was we went and spent like $300 on some fireworks. Yo, there go my brother, yo. Hey, yes, sir. But yeah, y'all, me and my brother went and spent like $300 on some fireworks. Feel me? Look, we got that little ass protein shit. But bro, I'm tired of shit, bro. I'm so out of shape for this shit, bro.
Tell me how you living in 25s.
Well, look, y'all, my arms gave out fast as hell, bro. Y'all know the only thing I did was eat and goddamn lay down and sleep and shit for the past couple months. But yeah, y'all, like I said, me and my brother leaving goddamn the gym. Finna go by the damn store, then go to the house, get a shower, and chill for a little bit. Probably go to the
dang.
Probably go to the this little firework thing they having down here, whatever, at the Peanut Festival or at the fairgrounds or whatever. And oh yes sir. But yeah, at the Peanut Festival, whatever. And then we're gonna come back to the house and pop ours. So I'm gonna get back to y'all later on tonight when we start popping. Yes, sir. It's about 10:30 at night, and we just left from the other little firework thing, or little firework show, and we finna shoot ours or whatever. But I might not record, but I will put clips of us doing ours, and then 2 clips of the other one that we went to. But look, y'all, hope y'all like the video. Feel me? Like, comment, subscribe. I love y'all, and we out.
Yes, sir. Well, one of them Jones canceled out. I record.
every year.
Something.
Oh God, show me.
My mama. Terrible.
Yes, sir.